Hello, welcome.
Hello. Hello. A table for two, please? We can wait here.
Okay, Mom.
Your table is ready.
Can I see the menu?
Of course.
Mom, I want pasta.
That sounds good.
And apple juice, please.
What would you like?
Pasta, please.
Anything to drink?
Apple juice, please. Remember your table manners.
Okay. Yummy.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was delicious.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.